Hello everyone. I made some videos of my 2006 Chevy Tahoe. Those were well viewed and well received. I even got quite a few subscribers out of it. I'm really not a big video maker or have the right equipment. This is all done on my phone. If this video does good, I might consider getting a GoPro or something. But since I do have some subscribers, I wanted to give you all a video on that Chevy Tahoe. I know that was a different way to do the job. Everybody says take the tank out. Lifting the body up, I hope, helped everyone. It's a different way to look at things and approach it, but you get to the clips better on the Tahoe that way. But we all look at things differently and we all have different ideas, and I truly believe that that's what makes this world go round. But about this video, I had said in that Tahoe video I'm a heavy equipment mechanic, so I wanted to share with you this backhoe. This is a 2006 Case 590 Super M Series 2, 2006 model Case. He complained of low power, couldn't do two functions on the bucket at once, like raise and curl the bucket, or raise and dump the bucket, or also complained about the rear boom working slow. So I did a pressure check on it and found it was way out of specs. I was reading 24 gallons per minute at 3,000 psi at an idle. When I revved it up and got the oil hot, warmed up, it dropped down to 7 gallons per minute from 24. So the efficiency was crap. You're supposed to have between 75% and 100% efficiency. You divide and multiply the pressures to get your gallons per minute. I did all that. I got a worksheet that I printed off out of the book to work it, and this has a small pump and a large pump in the same pump housing, and I replaced the pump. He also complained about the bucket was not closing right, and the cutting edges were wore, and the bucket was bent, and the pins and bushings were wore out, sloppy. I put new links on up there, and I put a new bucket on. This is a clam bucket, so it opens up right there, has cutting edges there, and has cutting edges there. So I put a new bucket on it. I put a new pump under there. I repinned and bushinged the swing tower and the swing cylinders. And while I was working on the boom, this is a new boom. This is a steel boom, made in the USA actually. This is the cast boom. This is the original boom. It has an ear broke off right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. This ear right there is broke off on that boom over there. Right there. Broke off clean. It's supposed to have an ear on it. So we bought this new boom here, this steel boom. I put new bushings in here for the swing. I put new bushings in the swing tower, the swing cylinder, new pins, new bushings in here, here, and here. A bunch of bushings go in. New bushings here, new pins and bushings here. Of course, the new boom come with new bushings, but this is the rear boom, the jib boom. is what I call it, but this is where the bucket goes. And these are the cylinders for the two booms. One's the root boom and one's the jib boom. So I just thought I'd share a video of what I do, share with you guys a little bit on this backhoe. I keep getting pulled off to go work on other stuff, so I work on this when I can. I have the other machine, this other backhoe, the sister to this one. They were bought at the same time. He's running the other one right now, and so this one's getting all repaired. I used to work on several of them, and now I only have about 3 left. We lease the ones right now, the new ones we have, and I do not work on those, but I'll work on them as long as I can. I like working on these backhoes. I grew up working on backhoes and excavators and bulldozers. But anyways, what happened is the operator called me. He broke his outrigger cylinder on the left side, or the right side if you're looking at the back of it. He broke this cylinder here, right there on the chrome rod. He said he slid down a hill and took the boom and bucket and tried to catch himself and hit the rod with the bucket and snapped it. So for a quick fix to get out there in the morning and get him going, I'm going to take this one off. I had started making a video, and I make these on my phone. Like I said, if I get more views or likes, I'll buy a GoPro to do these little videos, but this is on my phone. I've already taken these hoses off and capped and plugged them. I put plugs in them and cap. That's number 8 37-degree flare for any of you hydraulic or heavy equipment guys. I'm going to take this off. I just got my snap ring pliers, and I pulled the snap rings off right here and right here. I pulled them off. So now I'm ready to get my boom out and knock these pins out. Let's get my remote started up. This up so high, the hook comes off. Pause it while I put this strap around it. Alrighty, got the strap around it. I'm just guessing center on this because I'll have this is the barrel and the piston will be in here somewhere. So I'm just trying to guess about where the weight will be. We'll find out when I take the pins out though. Alright, I got the weight off of it. This is where I get my brass punch and hammer, so let me pause this. Okay, I got that pin knocked out. I'll knock this one out. Coming out nice and easy. This operator really greases his machine good. Let's see how I did with the weight of it. Not bad, actually. Look at that. Not bad for putting the strap on there the first time. So we got that cylinder off just like that. 2 hoses, a hose clamp, 2 snap rings, and 2 pins, and she's off. And a boom. Load steady just a tad bit. I use a tag line when I have heavy stuff on here and need long stuff to guide it, but don't need a tag line with this little cylinder. We got her in the back of my truck just like that. Okay, I got my boom all put away. And got the cylinder in the back of the truck. And here's the outrigger without the cylinder. So I hope you enjoyed this little video of a little bit about what I do. Like I said, I work on heavy equipment. So give me a thumbs up. Not a thumbs up, that's Facebook. I guess give me a like or a subscribe if you like this video, or a comment if you'd like to see more. Thank you.